Is your Spectrum modem constantly rebooting? This is a common issue often caused by three main problems: power brick failures, overheating, and line noise. Let's break down each issue and provide some quick fixes. First, check your modem's power brick. Make sure it's securely connected and shows no signs of damage. If possible, test with a known working power adapter. Second, overheating can trigger automatic reboots. Ensure your modem has proper ventilation, is not enclosed, and vents aren't blocked. Try elevating it or adding a small fan. Finally, line noise caused by interference or damaged cables can disrupt the signal. Check your coaxial cables for damage and ensure they are tightly connected. These initial checks can resolve many rebooting problems. If issues persist, move on to deeper troubleshooting steps in the next section. If the quick fixes didn't solve your Spectrum modem rebooting issue, let's dive into more advanced troubleshooting. Access your modem's web interface, usually by typing 192.168.1 into your browser, and check the logs for error codes like T3 timeouts, which indicate line noise or power-related alerts. Replacing old or damaged coaxial cables and splitters can significantly reduce line noise. Ensure your modem is properly grounded to prevent electrical interference. For overheating, consider modem models with built-in heat sinks or relocate your modem to a cooler area. If you suspect line noise is due to external factors, contact Spectrum for a technician visit to check the signal integrity. As a long-term solution, consider upgrading to a newer modem with improved thermal management and power efficiency. Regularly restart your modem and keep its firmware updated to maintain optimal performance. Future modems will feature AI-driven diagnostics, predicting and preventing reboots, but these steps can drastically improve your modem's reliability today.